Today we're organizing our kitchen and getting things put away with the help of our new metal kitchen pantry cabinet, and it comes with everything you need to set up. I occasionally use the drill to save some time, but it does come with a little screwdriver that you can build this with. It's pretty easy to set up, looks nice, and holds so much stuff. And this cabinet comes shipped to your door, ready to organize your kitchen as well. Cut open the box and lay out all your parts so you can see what's what. Find your two back wall pieces and lay them down next to each other, then bolt them together. Next, slide your side wall into the slot and then bolt that down, holding it in place. Do the same for the other side and then connect the two together with the bottom bracket. Slide in your bottom shelf and then bolt that down from the bottom. Now you can screw down all 4 feet to the bottom of the cabinet. Then you can sit the cabinet upright and put on the top of the cabinet. Screw that down, as well as the corner brackets. And like that, the main frame is assembled. Next, place in your shelf brackets, spacing them out how you'd like, and lower in the 4 shelves. Grab your door and put the pin in the bottom. Slide it into the grooves of the cabinet, and then do the same for the other side. And then we're almost ready. Snap the door magnets into place. And lastly, screw on the door knobs. Now the cabinet is fully built, and we can begin organizing our kitchen. I got everything cleared off our old shelves and into the new cabinet. I even made the bottom shelf a little bigger, so I can hold bags of cat and dog food. And since it has magnetic locking doors, we can keep our cats out, so our treats and food will be safe from them. Our cats will get in our old cabinets and take what they want. So this will be a lifesaver. And now, they can't get in, and we find them on top of the cabinet as well as underneath. Too cute. I also like that the cabinet is metal. This means we can decorate it and customize it how we'd like. But I'm a fan of that clean white design. The white color pops against our dark walls in the kitchen, and I just love how it looks. Now our kitchen is cleaner, looks better, and is more organized, so I couldn't be happier. So if you're looking to organize your kitchen in style as well, this metal kitchen pantry cabinet might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go make a coffee in our clean and organized kitchen. See ya.